Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make popsicles for dogs, full guide. Start by choosing dog-safe ingredients like plain yogurt, peanut butter without xylitol, and low-sodium chicken broth, then blend gently. Measure portions by size, so small dogs get 1 or 2 cubes and large dogs get larger molds. Mix in soft fruits like banana or blueberries sparingly. Freeze until solid, about 3 to 4 hours, then serve chilled and watch your dog enjoy safely. Pick ingredients that are both healthy and appealing to dogs, starting with plain yogurt or low-sodium broth as a base. Add small amounts of peanut butter without xylitol or mashed banana for taste and texture. Include dog-safe fruits like blueberries or apple pieces in moderation for added nutrients. Avoid artificial sweeteners and salty or spicy items. Keep portion sizes appropriate for your pet, and always introduce new ingredients gradually to check for reactions. Blend ingredients thoroughly to prevent chunks that could be a choking hazard, and pour mixture into silicone molds or ice cube trays for even freezing. Consider layering flavors by partially freezing a base, adding a fruit layer, then topping with another base layer for variety. Freeze on a flat surface to maintain shape and prevent spills. Thaw slightly before serving so popsicles are soft enough to lick and chew comfortably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.